Hey guys, so I know it's a little bit early now. I mean, it's still dark out, flip it out, it's 10 to 6 in the morning, but I had to leave my house early because there's a race happening in the area, and if I didn't, I'd be stuck in my house until like 9 AM. Where I'm off to right now is the Ducati dealership. What this is my group ride with the Ducati Owners Club of South Africa for a breakfast run. Now normally this is exclusively for Ducati owners, understandably, because it's part of the Ducati Owners Club of South Africa, so on. But I've been granted special permission to join along, vlog the thing, take pictures, all that kind of stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing today for you guys, to give you an idea of what it's like to go on an official breakfast run with Ducati in South Africa. And yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys at the dealership. I'll be sure to get lots of pics, videos, and all that kind of stuff. Most of my pictures will get put up onto social media and Instagram, so make sure you check out my Instagram, link in my about section of my channel, and as well as the description of this video. But yeah guys, I'll check you back at the Ducati dealership. And here we are guys, at Ducati. Cool guys, so here I am at Ducati for the group ride. Most of the people have now arrived, as you can see, and here's a little treat. Mine. No. Youngest Superleggera owner in the world. So what do you think of that? All the different kind of bikes here. Multi-Stradas, BMW. Monster, what's this thing? Super Sport S. That's my baby right there. And a Super Duke. Ooh, another Super Sport. And XDiavolo S. Very nice. Check that out. Very nice. Oh, that's cool. Is this the Ducati? This is the diesel, I think. This is the Ducati diesel, the XDiavolo, sorry, the Diavolo diesel. Racing one. Cool guys, and we are off like that. Gonna be stopping at the petrol station across the road. And then we'll be going from there just because it's a UE spot. But yeah, here we go. Yeah, so from what I've been told, this is going to be a relatively chilled ride. It's nothing too hectic. We're going to be keeping to roughly the speed limit. It's to accommodate for the more novice riders as well as new riders, people that are breaking their bikes in. You've already seen the Ducati Superleggera, who's apparently still breaking his bike in. So yeah, he's limited to about 140 anyways, so we will have a chance to race him. We got given a safety briefing. There's a follow car in case anyone breaks down. They have a trailer for us. Very nice, very well organized. Hey guys, so I just finished eating breakfast at the bakery and most of the guys have already left. I'm on my way home now. It was a good day. There's that Diavo diesel again, Monster, and this is the Monster 1200S. I'm actually a huge fan of this. Touring's going to be great for the long rides. But yeah, so today was pretty awesome. My first time going on a Ducati club's breakfast run with them. They were very friendly, welcoming, had no problem with me being there. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed the scenery and the routes. I hope you enjoyed seeing all those different Ducatis. I've been Aero Rider, you've been awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe.